Hi, this is Mrs. Merrill, and I hope you're having a great snow day. Today, I wanted just to remind you what you need to do on our virtual snow day. So if you'll please take a look at the screen. Number one, I want you to complete the focus on your Google Classroom. You can complete it on your own paper, and then you can turn it in the next time that we see each other. Please make sure that you show all your work. And then number two, I want you to complete the Kahoot template. It is adding and subtracting polynomials that I gave you yesterday in class. It should be in that packet that says for Thursday. And then the third thing I need you to do is to complete the second sheet in that packet that I gave you yesterday in class, and that is the review worksheet. So there are two worksheets that you're going to complete that were in the packet that I gave you yesterday in the very beginning, the very top of the packet with Thursday written on it. So if you'll please do that, have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.